Using in-ground scaffolding. Remember, Blok N Mesh recommend that its products are handled and installed by a minimum of 2 people, and that installers should wear mandatory personal protective equipment required for the site, including gloves. For information about setting up basic mesh fencing and using blocks and couplers, see video number 1 in this series. There are various ways to secure your mesh fencing, from simple anti-lift attachments to ballast blocks. For help choosing the best selection for your application, call your Blok N Mesh representative or the technical sales team at bloknmesh.com. When space is limited and the fencing will be in position for a longer period, some customers opt for in-ground scaffold bracing. Mark the positions of the holes for the scaffold tubes at the required distance apart along your intended fence line. Remember to use 2 scaffold tubes for the first and last panels. Please remember, prior to any excavation works commencing, you must ensure that the area is scanned and any underground services are located and marked by a competent person. The fence line may need to be amended to avoid any of these marked areas. Evacuate holes the required dimensions and set the scaffold tubes in place using concrete. Ensure the tubes are upright and level. Offer the first panel up to the first tubes and connect bottom clamps as shown, followed by clamps at the top of the panel. Repeat this process along the entire fence line until installation is complete. Blok N Mesh is a market-leading manufacturer, supplier and installer of temporary fencing, site hoarding and barriers. For further information or to see the full range of bracing options available, go to bloknmesh.com.